a crazy story to tell you. I've been just so exhausted lately. If you don't know from my other videos, I have so much going on with work. I'm working extra hours. There's a lot of stuff that's been going wrong lately, and we've all been sick, and just things have been crazy. So I haven't been paying as much attention to things as I usually do. Lyle came home with a paper the other week, and it said something about a healthy Mexican recipe. You're gonna enter the recipe in some contest to win. Like, in my head, I thought that this was a contest to like get a new lunch menu item or something that the cooks were gonna make. So I wrote out a really easy, healthy chicken tortilla soup recipe, and I gave it to and I gave it to Lyle to turn in. Oh my gosh, she looks crazy right now. She's got lipstick on and her hair's all wet. You're so cute. So it was a healthy chicken tortilla soup recipe. I entered it. I didn't know it was gonna be a cooking competition. So a few days go by, you know, one of the babysitters texts me after they picked him up from school. I was still at work, and they texted me a picture of this paper. This paper says, "Congratulations, you have been chosen as a finalist in this year's Future Chefs Fiesta Fit Food Culinary Competition. Please share this letter with your parent or guardian. Here are the guidelines for this event. You need to be dropped off at a high school. The event usually lasts 2 hours. You will be expected to prepare a presentation plate with your item on a 6-inch plate that will be provided to you at the competition. Additionally, you will prepare approximately 10 sampling portions for the judges and invited guests. Your friends and family are welcome to stay and watch from behind the serving lines." So, guys, Lyle has never cooked chicken tortilla soup in his life. He can cook grilled cheese, he can cook scrambled eggs, but he has never cooked chicken tortilla soup. This is just like a recipe that I do personally. So he has no idea what he's doing, but we spent the last 2 days making it. I'm so sick of chicken tortilla soup now. Made it the last 2 days, and I taught him how to do it. I taught him how to decorate it and make it look good. He has really high hopes that he's gonna win. It says that the food will be judged on taste, originality, ease of preparation, kid appeal, healthy attributes, use of featured ingredients, and the presentation of your sample plate. Lots of prizes will be given out, and the grand prize winner's recipe will be automatically entered into a regional competition for a chance to win even more. You don't need to bring anything, but we encourage you to bring table and or plate decorations that will help your dish stand out. Okay, so I brought like a Mexican themed, Cinco de Mayo themed table cover, and I bought maracas and like little mini sombreros. So I'm hoping that will be cool and it'll look good. Last night was the second night that we made the soup. We practiced heavily on the decorating of the soup, and he made it look so cute and so good. And so the competition starts in about an hour. So we're getting ready to go pick up Lyle from school, and then we're gonna come home real quick and we're gonna change him to a cute outfit, and then we're gonna be on our way to the competition. Lyle is so freaking nervous. He doesn't think he's gonna win, because that's just the kind of kid he is. He gets into these moods where he's like, there's no way it's gonna be me. I'm not gonna be the winner. But I really think he learned how to cook the dish so fast, and he knows how to decorate it and make it look like restaurant worthy. So I'm gonna take you guys with us to the event and show you guys what it's all about. I've never been to one of these before, so I have no idea what to expect and what's gonna go on. Hopefully they let me record it, or else this video will kind of be moot. But yeah, so we'll see you guys there. We only have a few minutes to get a little pre-competition interview in. So if this isn't, tell me if I'm angling at your face.
Yeah?
Yeah, is it on you?
Yeah, that's on me.
Okay. So Lyle, how are you feeling?
I'm excited, but I have anxieties that...
You have anxiety?
Yeah, my biggest fear right now is if I get like one of my hairs in the food.
Well,
That's why I lose.
I'm pretty sure you'll be wearing a hairnet.
I will.
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you think it's gonna go making the soup?
It's gonna be tough.
Tough? What about the decorating?
That might be the easiest part.
Yeah. But just remember, you know, if you don't win, you made it this far.
I made it to the final 2 people.
I think it's the final 5.
No, yeah, final 4 people.
Final 4 or final 5?
Final 4.
Final 4?
Which final 4 is good.
Yeah.
For me.
So how would you feel if you actually win the whole thing and you go on to states?
I'd be shook.
Shook?
Shook. I'm already shook enough that I got to 4th. If I win this, it's just luck.
Luck.
It's just luck.
We are pulling in to the high school right now. This is where we go in at. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go. Our professional food, but the professional outfit.
The professional outfit.
Yeah. We just got in and we got our table decorated and everyone else is here. I don't know if there's 4 or 5 people. There's 5 tables, but that one's not reserved by anyone. So I don't know if I'm gonna win or if I'm gonna lose, but I'm hoping I win. I'm gonna try.
Just give it your all. It's all that matters.
Yeah. Let's go.
But we do have a first place winner, and it was very close, guys. Everyone did very, very well. So the person that's actually going to go ahead and win the new cookware, the new echo, all the goodies over there is the Mexican meat.
Hey guys, I came in second place at the cooking competition, but now we're at Menchie's and we're eating ice cream. Delicious ice cream.
And you still did so good, didn't you, Ellie? Yes.
Bye guys.